Hello, everyone. Welcome to Building in Public with Natively. Today is the day 16 of me building an app for 30 days, every day building one app for 30 days. So today I'm going to build one app which one of our users requested me. So let me share my screen and let's start building. And of course, I'm going to give back to him the app idea that I'm building today. Great. So we just go to Natively. This is the idea. Let me copy paste it. Build GM management system to track members and payments. So let me see if I can find some nice design from Pinterest. As you know, I love to have some nice designs. Gym, let's say gym management track, gym management designs. Let's go for this. Yeah, so this is more for the management, like for the gym management to kind of manage the workout, the gym system. So this is super something nice. Why it doesn't show me? Let me upload it. Just like reload. Let me say gym management system. Management system. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah, because it's a bit tricky with the design. So let me see if I can pull this off. Let me see. Yeah, just I have to find a design for this. Let me check it out again. The track numbers. Let's see. Okay, let's go with this design. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit tricky. This one because usually, these dashboards are web apps, not mobile apps, but let's just give it this an idea. Let's try it out, to be honest. This will be super interesting to try it out and then see how it will look like. Nice. Let's just go. Yeah, so our idea is to build a gym management system to track members and the payments and everything else. And this was a given idea from one of our users on YouTube. If you see, he commented. Yeah, so this is day 16 of my 30 days challenge, where I'm building one app every day for 30 days. So yeah, this is the second half of my challenge, and it's quite fun. I enjoy it, and I have built 15 mobile apps. And actually, now I'm really good with ideating, so I can think of what ideas, what apps to build, and it just became such a nice routine for me. Just me staying consistent with building an app every day for some time, and I think it's just amazing experience. I'm learning a lot as well because me building natively and also using natively for myself, just an amazing experience. So I'm putting myself on the shoe of a user and see how it works. So this is, I think, the best feeling for me to see, and of course, make natively better, by me using it as well. So, yeah, I mean, I would love to know more about what you're building. Please comment some of your ideas if you want me to build, but also if you can comment what you're building with Natively and how is it going so far. I just did a video where I built an app from A to Z and also deployed to iOS to test flight, and I just released that video on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna make a longer video and upload a different video on YouTube, so for you all to see how it looks like and how it works. So yeah, I'm gonna make lots of videos how to add API for AI things, how to add the subscription for the payment. So I'm gonna make like thousands of videos on everything. And if you have some suggestion for any video content or type, please let me know. Also, if you would love to build something with me, please reach out and let's do it together. Perfect. This is start to be built. So meanwhile, I'm gonna go and do the Supabase. Supabase is our backend. It's our database where you store all information. So you need this because that's the backbone of your app. And let's connect with Supabase database. So we authorize natively to be built, to natively to build the database for us. Yeah, and we're gonna connect with Dog Walking app because I cannot connect with my other app where I cannot create a new project because I don't have enough space. So just I'm lazy. I'm gonna do with Dog Walking app. So and if you have watched other previous videos, you see that I have connected everything with Dog Walking app. So that's the way I do things. We come here, we see this as our database, and we have 75 tables. And all these tables are not from this idea. It's from other app ideas that I'm building. So once we add the new tables, this number will increase. So this is built. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so now is the best time to build your dream apps. And as I'm saying, you're just a few prompts away from your dream app. And just go build things that you like. Just go build things that you need, the apps that you need and also others needs. And of course, it's amazing if you have also, built apps that you can make money and then you become an entrepreneur, mobile developer, and yeah, just enjoy building and experiment. Of course, here you can see the code, and then this is how you deploy the app if you wanna. And then, yeah, I'm gonna buy the Android phone. I'm just too busy and lazy to go buy the Android phone, so I have to do it at some point. Yeah, because I really wanna learn it myself how to deploy the app to Google Play, because I know the iOS, but I don't know the Google Play. And as I'm using my phone as a camera, I cannot, I scan the QR code and then see how it looks on my phone. But I suggest you guys to scan this QR code and then see how the mobile app looks on your phone. So what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna actually say, let's build the backend. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. And let it go. So this is the second prompt. We built a simple design, but of course, you can play with design, how it should look like, and other things. But I just, try to optimize and just, build something super fast and then show you how it was done. But of course, to make it work, you have to click all the buttons to see everything is working or not. And yeah, you just have to try out everything and then see how it is. You can see here that our database is being built, but also the backend is being built together with the database. Perfect. So we can see that this is our dashboard. We can see the recent payments, coming renewals. We can see the members here. We can see the payment. And also we can see here our profile as a manager. So yeah, we just built a simple GM management system tracker, or kind of a management, tool for tracking the payments, the members. So yeah, this was just with 2 prompts. We built it super fast. I think, yeah, now like you have to play with the design, you have to change. I didn't like the design now. You just have to make it a bit nicer. And, like you just have to click every button if it works properly or not. But yeah, like we have, built it with 2 prompts, which is amazing. We just did the front end, we just did the back end, the database, and this is it so far. But also we just have a new feature, which is a visual editor. So if you click here, you can actually edit, for example, Jane. But you can, of course, change the color and, other things. So you can apply the changes. So you can actually play with the design yourself here. You can change the margin. You can change the stuff here. And this is kind of quite new feature. We just released it yesterday. So please use it and then tell us how you feel about this visual editor. But amazing, yes. So thanks for joining and watching. And yeah, please let me know if you have some ideas that you want me to build. And also share what you're building with Natively. There is a link on the description where you can actually use it and then get 5 free prompts for building your app. So just go register your account, create your account with that link, and get 5 additional prompts for free. Go enjoy building, and yeah, see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.